Alright. Say what now? Okay. You gotta go to work tonight? Yeah, I know. I figured as much. I mean, shit, I know how you is about the rain, though, so, you know, I figured it probably was gonna be after that. Alright. Alright. Are y'all electric sliding? Just, yeah. What the fuck is y'all doing? In the fucking rain. My girl Nita and her whole girl Kiki. Huh? Say that one more time. I mean, shit. You know how I am about you, bro. I figure when you get here, you get here. Oh, well. Nah, I mean, shit. I was pretty much okay. Say what? That's fucked up. And kind of true. I appreciate that shit. Shit, I tried to get an old girl to see if she wanted to work on some music, but I guess she's going to work. Nika. Yeah. It's raining like a motherfucker. It's raining so hard, y'all done stop playing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was thinking about that shit. Like, motherfuckers probably passing like this nigga got them doped up, dancing in the rain and shit. He got them videotaping. Oh, this some bull.